Where does the name for Llangoed come from? So today I'm in Ynys Môn in Anglesey, and this village behind me is called Llangoed. Let's get into the name. A llan is a settlement attached to a church, from the Proto-Celtic landar, meaning land. Goed is a soft mutated form of coed, meaning woods, from Proto-Celtic kaitos, meaning the same thing. The parish church at Llangoed is traditionally dedicated to Saint Cawrdaf. Some sources though suggest an earlier joint dedication with his brother Tangwm. Local place name evidence seems to support this. The name Llangoed is first recorded in the 13th century, referring to the extensive medieval woodland near Beaumaris. Later forms, Llangoed neu Gowrda in 1590, Llangorda and still Llangoed by the early 17th century, show both the continuity of the woodland reference and the association with Cawrdaf himself. Together these fragments suggest a strong medieval religious focus on Cawrdaf at Llangoed, anchored in both ecclesiastical tradition and in the persistence of local names. So who was Cawrdaf? We don't know much. He lived in the 500s and appears briefly in Breuddwyd Rhonabwy, the Dream of Rhonabwy, as one of King Arthur's counsellors. Tradition makes him the father of Medrod, who in turn was the father to Saint Dyfnog, remembered today for his holy well at Llanrhaeadr yng Nghynmerch in Denbighshire. So the name literally means the settlement attached to the church in the woods, or the settlement attached to the church of St Cawrdaf. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.